a tremendous must-see home awaits you at 316 Washita Lane in Tellico Village. With 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, this custom-built home with seasonal lake views offers over 4,300 square feet of luxury living with a beautiful, low-maintenance stone-like exterior. It's so apparent when you enter the foyer. You'll appreciate the formal dining room as well as the expansive living room on hardwood flooring and the extra spacious breakfast nook on porcelain tile. This integrates easily with the island kitchen, providing lots of cabinet storage, countertops of granite, even a wine cooler within the wet bar. Every bedroom was custom designed and built to accommodate every family member in style and privacy. The master bedroom is spacious, all framed within a large window. The closet space along with master bath is huge, with dual vanities bracketing this soaking tub, a ceramic curbless shower, and check out the laundry, so convenient. One word for downstairs, entertainment. It's an open design with tons of room for relaxation and gatherings, with a game room and plush sitting room, even its own wine cellar. Generous storage leads to a 44 by 22 foot workshop, the perfect studio area, and closet and workout space. With a host of upgrades and seasonal views of year-round Tellico Lake, 316 Washita Lane ranks as a real must-see. Call Tim or Ron Kukla of Smoky Mountain Realty direct at 865-986-4646.